This section will play a very important part in the examination of yourself. It will help you to reach deeply into your soul to discover, why are you doing this? In my professional opinion, the major reason why people do not succeed on their goals is because they do not know why they are doing what they choose to do. Your why is the real reason you want to excel in your God-given destiny and purpose in life. This is often underneath the surface stuff that is cluttered in your mind. For example, if you have a desire to outreach to persons who do not know Jesus Christ globally, it may be on the surface of your mind, but there may be many other things that will not allow you to concentrate on it. In your actual case, you want to break one or more habits in your life. It is now time to discover why. Your reason why is much, much deeper. They deal with the more emotional aspects of your life, the suffering, the insecurities, and the embarrassment that you feel when you do not accomplish what you say you will do. If you can access these deep reasons, then you will have found your ultimate motivation. Let me take a moment and share my personal experience with understanding my own why. When I connected with my reason why, it felt so much bigger than me. I literally felt like I had to accomplish this no matter what. My why for starting a global media ministry was to impact the body of Christ far into the future with the wisdom of God. I wanted him to know that he and his way are important to me. I realized that the only way to do this was to be the example. Others were watching me. My most exciting moment came when others began to give me positive feedback on how what I was doing was impacting their lives. Also, seeing others have the desire to learn and adapt to the teachings of the Holy Bible made me desire to be more accountable in my decision to bid God's will. That was a powerful moment for me. I learned what my why was as I desired to be more aligned with His will for my life. So let's find out your why. Set the clock for 10 minutes and start writing down the reasons why you want to excel in your vision and quest for successfully breaking habits. After you clear out the surface reasons, which are a great start, you'll be able to dig deeper to find your why. Once you find those reasons that motivate you, then circle them.